Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the concepts that are used in the Dance Party AI edition game. The four concepts used here are the functions, AI which is artificial intelligence, events and measure events. Let's see these concepts in detail one by one. Now this is puzzle 3 and the concept used here is AI. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a computer program that takes in data, learns patterns from that data and then makes decision based on what it has learned. Yeah, this is the definition. Now we will see how they have used AI in this puzzle. For that you're going to first drag this block and put it over here, and if you click this block and you're going to create three emojis of your choice, and if you give generate, you can see the AI is finding the best effect for your emojis. Yeah, if you give use effect and give run, this is the effect that the AI has created for your dance party. Yeah, this is puzzle 6 and the concept used here is events. Here event is nothing but an action that causes something to happen. They are mini programs on their own. So if you see in this puzzle 6, the events used here is key press. If you see here, the left and the right arrow keys, you can control the dance moves. So if you click run and if you click the arrow keys, you can see your dancer doing a dance step. This is the event that they have used in this concept. This is puzzle 8 and the concept used here is measure events. Measure events are nothing but the event that works more like a timer on a clock. At the specified measure, you can create your own effect for the song. Now in this puzzle, if you see, they have generated a new effect at measure 3 and at measure 5. Now if you click the run button, you can see the effects changing at measure 3 and at measure 5. This is puzzle 2 and the concept used here is function. In this they have used setup as a function. Now under the setup function we are going to add these two codes. Now if you put the first code, you can see the cat is being created on the left side. Now I'm dragging this and putting it over here. And if you click the show code here, this is the actual code that is behind the block. Here they have said that under the setup function, they have written the codes for creating the cat and making the cat move. Okay. Now if you click run, you can see the cat and the cat dancing. That's it.